just getting my camera set up. Anyways, we're here to review the Slimer Ghostbusters 35 Anniversary Funko Pop. Now, I saw this guy in a Books A Million, but I didn't bought him back in the day because I wanted the original Slimer Pop more than this one. Oh, I think I want all these guys too. They got Egon, Peter, Ray, Winston, and Library Ghost. I might pick those up. Yeah, but for some reason I wanted the original over this one. I regret not buying this at Books A Million, and I finally got it. Now, let's open this. The original Slimer Pop was really unique. I wanted that one so bad, but never got the original Slimer Pop. But I got the 35 Anniversary Slimer. Let's get him out. And wow, I regret not picking this up. But yeah, so here's the look at the Slimer Pop. Here's a really good look at him. He looks absolutely adorable. I like the hot dogs in his mouth. That's a really cool detail. The slime is one of my favorite parts. Like, it's like a stand, and also a really nice detail that they put into this figure. Yeah. Also, I like how he's smiling while he's eating the hot dogs. Yeah. Already I think I like this one more than the original because of mostly because of the slime details. And this guy is just adorable. And he stands up perfectly because of the base. That's a good look at him. And yeah. So that's my look at the 35 Anniversary Slimer. The packaging is awesome. I like the artwork here, and it shows you the other pops. So I might review, so stay tuned for those. So that's my 35 Anniversary Slimer Pop review.